Hi guys, thank you for visiting my channel again. Today you're going to watch the second episode of my trip to the west coast of Ireland. In this video we are going to explore 4 spots that I think are worth to see: Fintra Beach, Slieve League, Bundoran Beach and the Glencar Waterfall, also known as the Devil's Chimney. In one day we visited a lot of places and I was overwhelmed by adventure, impressions and stunning scenery. I hope you will enjoy this video as much as I have enjoyed filming it. Our first stop is going to be Fintra Beach, a hidden gem located a few kilometers from the fishing port of Killybags. Yesterday me and my friend went to Downpatrick Head, but we started our trip from Dublin a little bit late, so that was the only thing that we managed to discover yesterday, to explore. And today we started the trip a bit early so that we managed to see everything. The plan after this is to go to the Slieve League, the highest cliffs in Europe, and after this we will go to the surfing village, and there is another beach we want to see before going to Dublin. Our second stop is the highlight of our trip and one of Ireland's best kept secrets. This is the mountain Slieve League, where you will be able to see the highest cliffs in Europe. At nearly 600 meters high, they are 3 times higher and more dramatic than the cliffs of Moher.
No.
No?
No, right.
Yes.
Alright,
How long is the hike?
that's about about a half an hour, 30 minutes.
To the top.
Yeah, just to the viewing point, yeah.
Okay.
There's a bus that goes up to the visitor centre.
Okay.
A bus?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to take the bus?
Yeah, let's walk.
Okay.
What's the fun in coming up here and taking the bus?
Are these crows?
They looks like a mix of
the-
crows
but
and,
I think they are not, because look, the feet are red.
and the beaks.
Yeah. There is poop. Careful.
Come on,
Wow.
come this way. I wonder if I can record my drone shot. Going not up because it's foggy.
This looks a bit like an egg. On the high slopes of Slieve League, you will find the remains of an ancient chapel and beehive huts. There is a route that leads to this old pilgrimage, but it should be attempted only by experienced hikers and only if there is no fog.
Oh, there is sheep.
I wonder if I scare that one, what will
No,
happen?
please don't. I don't want to think that something will happen to it.
It's very risky place.
No, please! Please!
Don't go down. There you go. Yeah, look at the view.
It's a stupid one. It will go down and it will become like a meatball. What?
Meatball. No way. That was good.
Let me just move a little bit closer to this. Wow. Nice. Bleh.
Hey, careful.
Don't scare them, please.
I'm not scaring them. I thought they were not even there.
They're stupid.
Yeah, they are dumb.
They'll jump and they'll be like,
Done.
this lady told us that it's a little bit risky to go up because of the fog. It's amazing. Mitul is gonna send the drone.
But so far you can just walk on the markings. They're not. Of course. Yes. Thank you.
I'm not gonna go any further. No. I will wait for you here, okay?
Okay.
And or if not, I'll go and sit there and wait for you
Okay.
and enjoy the view.
Sure.
But please be careful. Don't make risky things.
No worries.
So these are the highest cliffs in Europe. They are 600 meters high. I didn't go all the way up because of the fog, but Mitul went and he's just coming down, so we'll see what he'll say. But I think it doesn't make much difference because it's just another 10 minutes going up. I even bet that the view is much better from over here. Now the fog is slightly lifting up, and you can see further away. Before it was not possible. Before only this part was visible, and now you can see further away.
It's free or not?
I want to memorize this view. And every time I feel sad, I want to be able to revisit. Okay, it's on my hard disk now.
A lot of people coming now. See?
Yeah. But because of the mist and this,
Yeah.
it looks like we are in Everest.
Yeah. With no snow.
The car park is full now.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Spot in here, different kind of birds.
Blue building over there.
Yeah, that's what here.
They're salty shelters.
Thanks, Maya.
Bundoran is a seaside resort situated in the south part of Donegal, also known as a surfing destination. As a matter of fact, in 2012, the National Geographic magazine listed the resort as one of the top 20 surf towns in the world. Just before we arrived, I started getting car sick, so I wasn't feeling very comfortable. But we had a walk around town and we also stopped for lunch. I think Bundoran would be a great place to stay overnight. I also noticed that there were a lot of spa studios promoting a seaweed bath treatment. I guess this would be an awesome experience if you have time to pamper yourself a little bit.
You can record that.
Huh?
Maybe you can record it from the pool, the bridge.
From the bridge.
Public right.
Yeah. Hotel Holyrood.
Hollywood. Knockoff version of Hollywood. They have restaurants inside.
The Glencar Waterfall is our last stop before we head back to Dublin. It's situated northeast of Sligo, surrounded by picturesque scenery of the nearby Glencar Lake and the majestic King's Mountain. The summit of the mountain has an elevation of 465 meters and there is a hiking route that takes 3 hours and a half of walking. Unfortunately, we didn't have time to explore Sligo. The Glencar Waterfall is 15 meters high and it's the highest waterfall in Ireland. It's located within a short distance from the car park and there are several viewing platforms to enjoy the spectacular views.
Now it's more strong.
Waterfall.
As far as the expenditures are concerned, we paid 50 euros per person for one night staying in a guest house, and I must say that the accommodation was below average, but we planned the trip in 1 week and didn't have much time to research. We paid 200 euros in total for the car rental for 2 days, but if you have a credit card, the price would be much more affordable. Another 65 euros went on fuel. All the places were free to enter, only we had to pay for the parking lot at Slieve League. So the trip worked out at approximately 200 or a little bit over 200 euros per person, and this does not include the food. This vlog is coming to an end, and all I can say is that this trip was one of the best trips I have ever made in Ireland. The Slieve League experience was truly magical and it exceeded my expectations. Fintra Beach is another location off the beaten track, and visiting the place shortly after sunrise was amazing. Both Fintra and Bundoran are blue flag beaches with golden strands of sand and rock formations. The Glencar Waterfall is relatively small, but I still think it was worth to visit because of its surrounding area and beauty. I feel content because we have planned a good itinerary and we have created wonderful memories. Thanks for watching and see you in my next vlog.